This video is Dillon, Colorado to Salida, Colorado Drive. This drive encompassed the Guanella Pass. Its elevation was around 11,500 feet. I'll have it posted later at the peak. I love all the beautiful streams of Colorado. It's a remarkably beautiful state. No, I was just going to do a little recording of that clip. These videos do not really show how steep and beautiful the terrain is.
Look at that.
It was amazingly beautiful drive. Scary at times, but well worth it. It was a lot more doable for me than the dirt road passes.
Why?
Because that looks so dangerous. And the lake that we seen up ahead, it was amazing. We stayed down there for a little while and checked out the area. Very beautiful drive. There is the road way over there. This stop was just a roadside stop that we happened to see. But a lot of times, them are your best memories, is just them little stops that you see as you're driving down the road. I did not expect it to be as cold as it was on these mountaintops. Unfortunately, I only had the light shawl with me, but it was doable and still enjoyed it. But yes, a jacket would have worked better. Okay, the elevation was 11,669 feet. And you definitely knew it as you was ascending and descending from up there. But a very beautiful pass. This was another roadside stop that we thoroughly enjoyed. Very beautiful. I love the sound of running water. It's so peaceful.
You know, you can get out.
This is the inn we stayed at Salida. It was clean, had good bedding, good mattresses. I have no complaints. It had a balcony outside the room that it wasn't your personal balcony, but there never seemed to be people out there. It was enjoyable. It was nice seeing the deer out there. And once again, we looked into a beautiful view out the window. It had little cabins behind that you could have rented. I think they had a 3-day minimum, but they looked real nice. That was the view out the window. That was the view behind the motel. Like and subscribe. You all enjoy all of your adventures. Thank you.